Don't you guys just hate when you go get a fresh wash and in less than a day your car is filled with dirt, bugs, leaves, and there was no point of having a car wash in the first place? Only if there was an easy to use spray that I can protect the paint with. Whoa, what is this? Shout out to Shine Armor for sponsoring today's video with their Graphene Ceramic Spray. This is an easy to use spray that will protect your paint from all different dirt, grime, UV rays, water for months on end. The Shine Armor Graphene Ceramic Spray comes in a cute little bottle, and it is an easy to use spray that you can spray on your car after a wash and it'll leave a long lasting shine. As a car enthusiast, I'm always looking for my car to stay shiny after a wash, but don't usually have the time to use your traditional wax and the heavy work used to put wax all over the car. This spray will help avoid any streaks and uneven application of your traditional waxes, and this is an easy to use spray that I can just quickly spray all over my car and ensure that the shine will last for months. So the first step is to just use the spray and spray it onto a microfiber cloth. So you want to spray all over so you have the microfiber with the product on it, and now you want to use a microfiber and just wipe it on the surface of the car. Of course, you want to make sure that the surface that you are putting this product on is clean. I went ahead and already got this car washed, so you want to cover the car for 1 to 2 minutes. And then let the car cure for 4 hours before hitting the elements. Now currently we are in outside, so hopefully it will work as good as it typically should, but best case is to have the car sitting in the parking lot, in the garage, so you know it's not exposed to the elements right away. I've let the product sit for a little over 2 minutes and then buffed it with the microfiber cloth, and now it's been a couple hours now, and now I'm just going to spray some water just to show you the coating that it provides onto the car. And as you can see, the water just slips right off. It gives you a nice protection over your paint, which will help your paint from all different types of stuff, from water, sap. I have a tree here that always throws sap onto the car, so this spray will help with protection of my paint. If you guys like the products, go check out their website. They have a ton of different products, from tire shine, wax, interior products, and this graphene ceramic spray. You guys can check out my description below for a discount code, and you can get a discount on different products from their website. And I want to give a huge shout out to Shine Armor again for sponsoring this video.